this evening we are here in our midst, Honorable Chairperson of Vikram Maharajah and Honorable President of Vikram, Mr. D.K. Ravakar. We are here for a media briefing, and this media briefing is in regard to joining of some of the important persons from BJP to Vikram. And with these few words, I would like to request Honorable President first to address the meeting.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. So, respect to our chairman, Maharaj Kishore Manikya, and Honorable EM, PTADC, Education, and some other MDC we have here in it. And today, we are really grateful and happy to announce and entertain 4 friends from some other party. So let me be at liberty to them and congratulate them. They are Mr. Kumar Alam. He is Mr. Kumar Alam. So he holds the state committee member and presently block